We're making a Rube Goldberg Machine.
Goldberg Machine.
Alright, so we made a Rube Goldberg Machine. So what's going to happen is the goal was to get this dog treat into the dog bowl that's back there. So what's going to happen is I'm going to roll this ball down the ramp, simple machine number 1. And then the dominoes are going to go through, hit the truck, and it's going to have this block right here fall onto the simple machine number 2, a lever.
What about the car? What does he use?
Oh yeah, he uses a wheel and axle because it's wheels. And then it'll knock all these dominoes over, which causes the fidget spinner to turn them around and go this way. Then we have the gigantic Lego dominoes here. And then it's going to knock all of these over and use simple machine number 4. And it's going to knock that one off, bringing this up, hitting Steve's arms. And then that'll hit the ball, then hits this, and it knocks it into the goal. This is attempt number 1. Gosh. No!
Well, it didn't get too far, so that's good.
Yeah.
All right.
Attempt 2. Attempt number 3. Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Attempt number 10.
This is attempt 12. 15, 16. Oh wow, this is straight forward. This could be the one. Yes!
You gonna eat it?
He sees it.
And the treat is delivered.